Hello and welcome to another edition of Stock Watch. As we get into the trading week, we're seeing that Elon Musk's personal wealth has now reached over $200 billion. And this actually is quite significant because it widens the gap on the Amazon founder, Jeff Bezos, as well. And actually yesterday there was a little bit of back and forth on Twitter with them after Jeff Bezos posted a Twitter feed, and then Elon Musk actually commented underneath with a second place medal. So I don't know how, we'll see how Jeff Bezos takes that, if he takes it well or not. But you have to look at Musk's initial wealth over the past year alone, as his net worth is nearly over $200 billion, and Tesla shares are also climbing as they recover from a rocky year from last year, obviously when the pandemic really hit. They are currently up 13% from the beginning of the year, and actually if we look at 2020, when they rose over 700% after the big economic downturn when the COVID-19 pandemic hit a lot of companies. So that was a big improvement from then as well. So the two guys, the two richest people in the world, are obviously embroiled in a space race as well. We had Jeff Bezos's powerful rocket that actually went into the air last year, and then Musk's SpaceX won massive NASA and US military contracts and flew the most powerful rocket in operation. So both men will probably be competing with each other for a while, but it seems that Tesla and Elon Musk especially is in the driving seat particularly. So let's just take a look on what the potentials are for Amazon. First of all, it's been a couple of weeks since we looked into Amazon really, and what I'm seeing at the moment is this choppy sideways movement, and we're just looking to see if we're going to see any signs of a breakout anytime soon. We're just looking to see what the potentials are. We're trading below the Ichimoku cloud at the moment, which is significant because the trend is looking now like it's on the downside, and I'll be looking at this previous trough here, roughly about the 3000 area, if we're going to reach those kind of those kinds of levels again. If not, then we could be looking for another potential upswing, and this could possibly push us back into the 3,500 region. It's just kind of precarious at the moment because of the recent earnings season that's coming up. So we'll see if a lot of the companies do get their targets. Obviously, we believe that Tesla and Amazon will probably achieve their Wall Street expectations, but we'll see what happens when the dates come along in the next few trading weeks. Also on the RSI, not really too much in the way of signals. You could say there's a small bullish divergence here as we look, but that seems a little bit too much to get carried away with. What I'll just be seeing, if we don't hit this next support level here, we could actually start falling further downwards, and on the other hand, if we do get a bit of support at that region, then another push to the upside will probably be quite significant and quite likely as well. So looking good in the short term for Amazon. Tesla, on the other hand, as you can see, the last time we looked a few days ago, we are still in this ascending channel, and it looks like it's not really looking like it's going to fall out of it. We're trading at the mean now, very nice mean sideways regression there. If we look on the 4 hour, which will be a little bit more clearer to see, as you can see as well, we're trading very far away from the Ichimoku cloud as well, looking to see another leg to the upside and another test at possibly this top channel here, roughly about the 840. What might be quite significant is if we jump above the 800 mark and stay there, then it could be very, very good for bulls in the near term, at least, as we drive possibly another $20-30 to the mid 800 region at least, and then possibly to that golden $900 mark, which since the stock split last year, we have been seeing Tesla's share price very, very choppy. So we'll see if that actually starts picking up in the near term, at least, as we head into, as I say, earnings season and into Q4 as well. So that's all from the Stock Watch today. Thank you very much for joining me. Any comments or queries, as usual, please feel free to add them to the post, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Have a great trading day ahead, and bye for now.